Types of coughs. The quiet one. The one who tries to be quiet but is not. The absolutely crazy one. The safe one. Hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe. See you in the next video. How could I forget to tell you? Please leave a like if you want. Let's try to get this video to 10 likes and I'll release a part 2. But now the part 2 will be for cinemas, for a horror movie. So yeah, if you want a part 2, leave a like and let's try to reach to 10 likes and I'll release a part 2. Yeah, so absolutely demolish that like button. No mercy, murder it. See you in the next video. On your screen right now, you're seeing a lot of walls.